Let's talk about Heston Blumenthal Dual Platform Precision Scale by Salter, High Capacity 10 kg and Ultimate Recipe Accuracy 200 grams platforms, stylish kitchen accessory with digital display, measure in metric and imperial weight and volume for liquid. The UK's #1 brand for kitchen scales meets Heston Blumenthal Salter Housewares began life in 1760 and has continued to grow and thrive within the housewares business ever since, through innovation, accuracy and precision. We're so confident you will love the quality and reliability of our products, we back them with a manufacturer's guarantee for 15 years. Classic design. Our classic design was improved exclusively for Heston Blumenthal, a classic shape with the functionality and reliability needed for your modern kitchen, cooking, baking and food preparation needs. Finished with hygienic stainless steel, easy for you to keep clean with a simple wipe. Accuracy at its finest. Perfect your favorite recipes and wow your friends and family with cooking and baking made from perfectly measured ingredients. The key to any scales is accuracy. Heston Blumenthal by Salter digital kitchen scales are built with the highest precision of sensors, and the dual display shows you measurements for each platform on one backlit LCD, clear and easy to read, so you can weigh your food and ingredients accurately up to a large high capacity of 10 kg, which accurately measures in 1 gram increments, and a second precision platform up to 200 grams which accurately measures in 0.1 grams increments for those precious ingredients. Multiple functions. Maybe you're baking a cake, or tracking your nutrition and counting your calories? We have you covered. The 1049 allows you to measure everything you need with ease, all in the same bowl. Just hit the 0 button on the scales to start from 0 and keep adding your ingredients. Quickly convert your measurements by tapping the unit button at any time to switch between metric grams g and imperial ounces os or pounds. You can even measure out liquids ml or fluid ounce. Included in the box along with your brand new set of digital kitchen scales, we provide you with 3 standard AAA batteries to get you started with your food prep straight away. There's also an instruction booklet and excellent customer support. Just an Bought these a while ago only to have them fail. The scales will add a gram every few seconds without being touched. Send a video of this to Salter on their Facebook page and they were promptly in touch to resolve the issue. The second replacement set failed after a few months. With the same issue. Seems to get through a lot of batteries, and only works at its full potential when the batteries are new. I cannot fault the styling or the Salter customer service. Sadly, the product in this instance isn't good enough though. I've had these scales for 4 years and not really used them a lot. This week they just stopped working. Put new batteries in, still doesn't work, so I guess the actual scales are broken. Some people might say 4 years is a good time for them to last, but I have other digital scales that I use for other things on a daily basis which were much cheaper and are still working fine. Won't be buying these again.